Have you ever wondered what the community is like here at RIT?
Making friends here was really easy. I met people with similar interests and hobbies, and with so many clubs, activities, and events to join, you're always meeting new people. Everyone's open and really friendly, so friendships just naturally happen.
What's one club or activity someone should join at RIT?
RIT Men's Club Soccer, definitely. It's a great time. We travel all across like Western New York, and we just get to play against other people. It's competitive, really fun, and best of all, it's student run. So you just get back to your campus a little bit and you get to play soccer. It's a great thing.
I think people should try the Lhasa Club because it's multicultural. They do a lot of activities and events. Sometimes they do raffles and discussions. It's a lot of fun. And also I think the Body Improvement Club is really fun as well.
I'd really recommend joining the racing team, intramurals, or a club relating to your major. It's not just about having fun or staying active. You also get to meet new people, build connections, and gain a deeper understanding of what you're studying outside the classroom.
What makes the RIT community so special is how welcoming and supporting everyone here is. Students, professors, and staff make you feel like you belong here. This is a place where curiosity, friendship, and teamwork come together to make life on campus fun and memorable.